Hey everyone, I've had a few people ask me if I can show how to do a half hexagon for my lightly textured hexagon video that I released. You can find it in the link below as always. And so I've knocked one up quickly for you. This is only going to be a really quick, short little video. And this half hexagon only applies to the upwards edge. It won't apply to the bottom of your blanket and the top of your blanket. Now, as I've said before in my last video, this is just a bit of a work in progress blanket going on. So I've only got one little area where I can actually show you a half hexagon just to straighten up these edges. I mean, it's not perfect, but once you have a border along the edge here, you can work into there, then it pulls it out and it's just a nice straight edge. So this is for those people that asked for this video. I will stop waffling and get on and show you. Okay, so for filling in this pesky little edge here, let me just move this out of the way because my camera wants to focus on that and not what I'm actually doing. We're working into a magic ring. And you're going to chain 5. And then into the magic ring, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And you can go ahead and pull that ring shut. So these extra stitches on the edges just give it a bit more straight. Obviously not now, but once it's all attached on the blanket and you've got a border, straightens it all out. Okay, so turn for row 2 and chain 4. And then into this chain 2 space, 3 double crochet. And then into the next 2 chain spaces here and here, you're going to put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And then the same again into this one. Just straight into that corner. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Same again into this corner here, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And then into here, this last little space, you're going to put 3 double crochet, and a treble, which is yarn over twice. go in, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll know this stitch. If you're doing the half hexi, that means you've already done a lot of these bad boys, so you got your trebles down already, not a problem. So then you are going to turn your work, chain 3, and we're immediately going to start joining for round 3 into, into this space here. So we're immediately going to start joining it in. I'm just going to bring my camera down. You can see what I'm doing a bit better, if it will stay there. So you've chained 3, you've got where you're ready to go, and you're going to slip stitch straight into this outside purple corner. And then into this space here in between your doubles and that treble on the end, you're going to put 3 double crochet, and 1 treble. Then you're going to slip stitch into this bit here, straight onto the edge of the purple. And then working immediately into this next chain space, you're going to put 1 treble, and 3 double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1, and you're going to slip stitch into this purple section here, and then you're going to slip stitch into this silver. Oops. Then you're going to chain 1. Then working back into the same space, you're going to pop 3 double crochet, and a treble. Slip stitch to the silver, and then into this corner here, you're going to put a treble, 3 double crochet. And then into this corner, you're going to put a treble and 3 double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1, slip stitch into the silver corner, and then slip stitch into the green, chain 1, oh, it's probably caught under here, chain 1, and then back into this corner here where you just did those other stitches, 3 double crochet and 1 treble. Slip stitch to the green, and then over here, ignore that, straight into this in between your 3 doubles and your chains from the row below, you're going to put a treble, three double crochets. I'm working all the way over here. That's better. You're going to slip stitch straight to this green corner and then end with a double crochet into this chain here. So around the top, about here. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll cover it up with a border. Then chain one, cut your yarn, leave yourself a nice generous tail, and pull it through. A little tug. But that is just a quick little video to show you a half hexi to match these lightly textured full hexis for up the side of your blanket, ready for a nice border so you get a perfect straight edge. I hope that helped the people that asked. Happy crocheting!